Alright everyone, so my teacher has created these different assignments for me to complete, and they're all requiring me to submit my assignments in a different way. So what I'm going to do is just go through these one by one so you can see how I submit these types of assignments, and maybe that'll help you as well. The first one I'm going to do is my text submission assignment. So text submission assignment, I read my assignment heading, and the directions say complete this assignment by typing the word hello into the text box. Now there's no text box right here, so the first thing I have to do is click submit assignment. Now remember what my directions say, complete this assignment by typing the word hello in the text box. So after I clicked submit assignment, here's the text box that I need to type in. So I'm going to type in the word hello just as my directions say right here, and then when I go to submit assignment, it says submitting. Oh, look at that celebration, that makes me feel good. Alright, so I've submitted it, I can be sure, and I'm going to go back to my modules. So that one's done. I've already done text submission assignment. Now I'm going to go to this one, uploading a file. Let's check it out. So the assignment name is uploading a file practice, and the directions say complete this assignment by uploading a file from your device. Now check this out. Here's our blue submit assignment button again, and I'm going to have to click that first because there's nothing for me to do. So I'm going to submit the assignment, and I'm going to scroll down here. Now there's Studio, Google Drive. We don't have to worry about that. There's more. We're not going to worry about either of those. What we're going to focus on is choosing a file. Alright, so I'm in my file upload. I'm going to choose a file, and what that's going to do is allow me to choose a file from my device. So I click choose a file, and I'm going to select this good citizenship drag and drop. So I click on it, I click open, I see that that's attached right there. I'm going to click submit the assignment, and there it is. I've submitted that assignment. So on this one, you just have to make sure you know where you save the assignment on your computer, because that can be a tricky thing. So now I'm going to go back to my modules. I've done text submission, uploading a file practice. Now I'm going to do using Studio for submission. It says using Studio for submission, that's my assignment title. The directions say use the Canvas Studio tool and record a video of you waving to complete this assignment. So first things first, again there's nothing right here, so I have to click submit assignment. And here's media. It says use the link below to record your submission. Click save when finished. So I'm going to click record. You'll notice it starts bringing this. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can see my green screen. And then I'm going to click start recording. I'm going to wave. Click finish. And then right here, I need to put a title. Mr. Miller waving. And I'm going to click save. I'm doing this so my teacher knows it's me. So now I see a little picture of my video. It says ready to submit. Click submit assignment button to finish. There we go. There's my celebration. I'm doing so good right now. I've done 3 assignments. I'm going back. I have 1 more I have to do. And this one says linking to a web page for submission. Now this might be if your teacher's requiring you to do something on a different website and they want you to copy and paste the website you worked on so you can show them your progress. But I'll show you what I mean. It says linking to a web page for submission. The directions say to complete this assignment, paste your Wixie project's URL into the correct location and then submit. URL is just the abbreviation for website. Right up here, This is a URL. If it said www.google.com, that's also a URL. So I have to go to Wixie and I have to copy a URL. But check this out. There's nothing to do right here. So do you remember what I have to do? That's right, I have to click Submit Assignment first. So now look at this. It says copy and paste the link to the website you'd like to submit. Website URL. So I need to find my Wixie. Now I've already logged into Clever and selected Wixie, and here's my animal adaptations project. I had to make a combination of different animals, and now I want to submit this. So I'm going to go to File, and on this one I'm going to click Share. And check this out. It says copy URL. Now if you look closely, this URL right here that I'm looking at, it's the same one that's up here where I would type in a website. So that's just a good reminder. It says wixie.com U912120. This one says wixie.com U912120. If you're going to copy and paste a website, sometimes you can just highlight this area up here. But because this is Wixie, I'm clicking Share, and I'm going to copy this URL. And it tells me the link has been copied to a clipboard. That's an invisible clipboard that's holding this information right here. Now I'm going to go back to my assignment, and I can either right click with my mouse button and press paste, or I can press Control and V at the same time, and it's going to paste this website. And I'm going to click Submit Assignment. And again, it happened perfectly. I followed the directions and I got my celebration.